Hello guys, welcome to Top Best India. Let's go to the topic.
There is no cricket fan who does not know the name of the IPL. It is the league that has turned gully cricketers into overnight star heroes. The IPL has shown a taste of the short format in the days of declining 5-day traditional test cricket in India and all-day one-day cricket. Launched in 2008, the league is gaining popularity day by day. It has been 12 years since the league started today. The 8 teams in the tournament include star players from India as well as almost all other countries. The first match between Royal Challengers Bangalore Kolkata Knight Riders was played at the Chinnaswamy ground in Bangalore after the opening ceremony in the presence of the BCCI and ICC seniors. Kolkata won by 140 runs. The IPL is reminiscent of batsmen who rule the boundaries and bowlers who take wickets in the blink of an eye. This short format is mostly enjoyed by the batting department. Exciting batsmen with aggressive batting records continue to be broken for the brave batsmen. Now let's find out about the top 10 batsmen who have scored the most runs with their amazing batting talent. Number 10. Andrew Symonds. Andrew was instrumental in the success of the Australian cricket team as he showed the dots to his opponents with his batting. However, the cricketer's triumphant run, which had been triumphant until then, ended with the Sydney Test in 2008. In the 2008 IPL, Deccan Chargers batsmen scored 117 runs with 11 fours and 7 sixes against Symonds' RR. Number 9. Shane Watson. Watson has played 59 tests in ODIs, tests and 2020s. Watson made his test debut in 2005 against Pakistan at the Sydney Cricket Ground. He scored 4 centuries in his test career, averaging over 35.0. In the 2008 IPL, chasing 179 runs is not an easy task, and there will be intense pressure on the batsman. At that time, Watson fought with his batting talent and scored 117 runs with 1 4 and 8 sixes to win Chennai. Hey guys, while we are doing the countdown, I would like to share the effort our team has put in making this video. Please encourage us by hitting the like button. If you haven't already done, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get updates every time we release a video. Going back to the countdown, number 8. Paul Waltati. Paul Waltati is a right-handed batsman who only played in ODIs in Mumbai in 2006. That was the only ODI he played. He played in 2002 World Cup Under-19 with Irfan Pathan and Parthiv Patel. Rolled an eye on a tour of New Zealand. He felt that his career was over. He was away from cricket for 2 to 3 years. He then joined the Punjab IPL team. In the 2011 IPL, Punjab batsman Waltati hit a huge 120 against the Chennai team with 19 fours and 2 sixes. Number 7. Right-hander Virendra Sehwag can also bat and bowl. He is not only the highest individual scorer in Test cricket for India, but also the only player to score a triple century for India. In 2014 IPL, Sehwag, generally known for his quick-fire knocks, he batted till the 19th over of the innings and scored 122 runs with 12 fours and 8 sixes. On March 11, 2009, Hamilton became the first Indian to score a century of just 60 balls in an ODI against New Zealand. Number 6. David Warner. David Warner is the SRH captain and one of the best players in the IPL. Matty is one of the best performers in the IPL season. Warner, who played with good swing before the innings, broke the Kolkata bowlers with 126 runs. SRH scored for 3 balls, 209 runs due to his hitting batting. Warner hit 10 fours and 8 sixes. Number 5. Murali Vijay. Murali Vijay holds a special place in the Indian cricket team. Vijay is one of the players who work hardest for the benefit of the team, no matter how many openers come and go. It was during this sequence that he became a key member of the Indian team. He batted the entire innings with 4 fours and 11 sixes and has eventually dismissed with 2 balls to spare. Number 4. Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant, a young player in the Delhi team, showed talent in his debut season. In the 2018 IPL, while the Daredevils struggled 3 for 43, Pant stepped into batting and fought alone. He scored 128 of 63 balls in the match against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Despite the difficulties, Kane Williams Sena Hyderabad managed to hit the target in 18.5 overs. Number 3. De Villiers. South Africa batsman De Villiers, he showed the Mumbai Indians the dots with his batting talent. Mr. 360 completed 133 of 59 balls in a single match for provocative aggression. Kohli's partnership sparked the 2015 season against the Mumbai Indians. As a result, Bangalore won by 39 runs over Mumbai. With his hitting batting, RCB scored 235 of 1 in 20 overs. De Villiers broke with 19 fours and 4 sixes. Number 2. Brendan McCullum. McCullum showed his aggression in the first season of the league and created a trend among IPL fans. McCullum hit 158 of 73 balls for the Kolkata Knight Riders in the match against Royal Challengers Bangalore. Kolkata won the match by 140 runs. With this, he became an overnight star. Hey guys, before I reveal the top 1, put your favorite cricketer in the comment below. We will reply to your comment. And the number 1 is Chris Gayle. Chris Gayle has the ability to bat with his left hand and bowl with his right hand. Chris Gayle, who batted for Royal Challengers Bangalore in IPL 2013, smashed the Warriors bowling with his superb batting performance. No one has been able to beat the score of 6 years ago at the Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. Gayle made a splash in the 2013 match against Pune Warriors. He scored 175 of 66 balls and enchanted the bowlers. He set a new record by completing a T20 century of 30 balls with the score in this match.
If you like this video, please like the video, share with your friends and comment me in the comment section. And last, please subscribe to our channel. You can get crazy topics.